Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Today we will learn about laundry operational. First, we need to know basic linen flow in the laundry operational. There are many tasks involved in the daily operation of the laundry. This includes collection of soiled linen from source, receiving and sorting soiled linen, washing linens, drying linens, finishing linens, ironing and folding, inspection of clean linens, rewash of linens, repair and condemning linens, counting and packaging of clean linens, invoicing and relevant record keeping, storage and transportation back to customer or user, efficient cost control in all steps of production. In this session we will talk about each step of the laundry linen flow. First, transporting linen. At the end of the session, you will be able to handle soiled and clean linen properly, deliver and set up linen properly, handle soiled linen properly, clear up or pick up and transporting soiled linen from pantry. 1. You need to prepare your trolley. Check the trolley to ensure it is in good working order. Provide some linen bags for spare. Soiled linen can be very heavy due to some of them being wet or damp. Ensure spare linen bags are always available in the pantry. 2. Check soiled condition. Soiled linen to be contained and separated in soiled linen bag. Place scattered soiled linen towel into the bag. All soiled linen must be brought to laundry with soiled linen bag. Clear up soiled linen from pantry. Do not step on the soiled linen to avoid spots marks. Always be aware of any guest belongings or any sharp items left in the linen. What are the most items found along with soiled linen? Sometimes we found guest belongings such as money, undergarment, remote control, cell phone, ear set and event sharp object. 3. Classify linen condition. Check discarded linen basket and check whether there is a non-discarded linen inside the basket. Place it in the bag if there is no discarded linen there. Discarded linen will be placed inside the basket and not by the user, room attendant or supervisor. 4. Load the bag. Place soiled linen bag in trolley. Be sensible upon lifting the bag. Refer to Safety Guidelines Training Manual Task Number 1. Manual handling procedure. Fill trolley to optimum level to ensure good productivity. 5. Move the trolley. Push trolley to laundry area or another designated place. Never pull the trolley unless entering passing door. When transporting linen, please avoid to overloading the trolley to avoid sight obstruction and any accident. Always prioritize your safety and your guest. We will continue the next session in this channel. Please go to the next video to learn about sorting the linen. Thank you.